Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple videos in a Telegram group on PC with the latest update. Let's go through the steps together. To start, open Telegram on your PC. Once the Telegram application is open, log into your account to access your groups. Next, select the group where you wish to send multiple videos. This can be any group chat that you are a part of. Find the attachment icon within the group chat window and click on it. Then, choose the Photos and Videos option from the menu that appears. Now, it's time to choose the videos you want to send. Browse through your computer files and select the videos you wish to share. Click Open to add the videos to your message. After selecting the videos, click on the Send button within the group chat window to send the videos to all members of the group. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to send multiple videos in a Telegram group on PC using the new update. This feature allows you to share multiple videos with all group members at once. Enjoy sharing memorable videos and moments effortlessly with your group on Telegram. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your Telegram group experience.